and there's nothing here. Today we have your favorite Bobcat T190, and the problem, headlight doesn't work. And I don't know what's wrong, but let's go and confirm the issue first. And yeah, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell, you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, let's push this light. Alright, there's two, have bottom and top, and check it out. This one's good, glowing hot, and there's nothing here. Alright, might be the bulb circuit is open, electricity cannot flow from positive to the ground, or could be missing ground or power, but we have this one working. Let's go from there. Alright, let's turn the ignition off, and as you can see here, there's some sealant and there's weather crack already, and yeah, could be some water intrusion, moisture get in. Yeah, let's pull this slide out and see what's inside. I removed headlight housings. It came out pretty easy. And see what we have. There's a light bulb. It's what left. Well, let's shatter it. I'll put a new one, but also we'll test for power. Make sure juice is coming. This is red and black. There's ground and power, and a little bit of troubleshooting. Something for today. Yeah. We just need a bulb, but because we're here, let's check if we are getting a juice coming to that. Oh, to that light. Okay, let's turn those guys. Here we go. And yeah, I have my test light connected to the ground. Yeah, good. We have a power coming to the connector, and yeah, I'll put a bulb and happy to go. Don't touch the glass part. Here we go. New bulb installed, and we also checked for power and ground, everything there. Now let's take a moment of truth, and voila, light is on, it's working. And yeah, if it will help someone, that's fantastic. Thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Any comments, critics, leave them down in the comment section below. See you soon, take care, and yeah, bye bye now.